How to fix DHCP is not enabled for Wi-Fi error in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. From the Startup Type drop-down menu, select Automatic. If the DHCP client service isn't running, click the Start button. Click OK to save the changes. Right-click Command Prompt and click on Run as Administration. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. Now restart your computer and try again and your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, type ipconfig. Right-click on the currently active network adapter. Choose Disable from the context menu. Right-click on DHCP client. Select Restart from the context menu. Return to the Network Connections window. You can search for network connections in the Start menu. Right-click on the same network adapter. This time, select Enable from the context menu.